Okay, welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 2 of the Pick of the Crop paper pumpkin kit for June 2022. So I need the greeting that says thinking of you, and I need one of these little labels to put it on. I need 2 loaves of bread. That's all together. It looks like, yes, it's the 2 loaves of bread and a sprig of lavender. I need a vellum pocket. It's not a pocket, it's just scalloped at the top. I need the cheese, and I need a 12-inch piece of linen thread. And I need this card base. So let's go ahead. Step 1 says we're going to stamp the greeting. So let's go ahead and do that. Just move everything out of the way. And again, I'm going to take a piece of scrap paper and just ink up my stamp just to make sure that I do have good coverage. And that looks really good. Okay, so we'll put that off to the side and we'll ink this up like that. And then we stamp it down, and I need to stamp it with the gift tag hole that way. So we're just going to pop this down like that. There we go. So that says thinking of you. Step 2 says we take our loaves of bread and we take our sprig of lavender and we put our adhesive dots on the back. So we need to put one like this and one like this, and then one in the middle of the sprig of lavender, like that. And then we layer them up onto the card front. So we're just going to peel the back of the dots off. Okay. And this goes down like this. These are slightly different. In the picture, it looks like there's 2 and they're overlapped. So they're just slightly different. So we're just going to pop this down like that. Okay. And then we're going to take our sprig of lavender and we're going to pop it like that. Okay. So the next step, so we've done step 2. So step 3 is to take the piece of linen thread. Okay, so we're going to take and I'm just running my fingers over it just to take the curl out of it. And we are going to tie this around the vellum and around the gift tag. Okay, so we're going to do this like this. Okay, and we're going to tie it like that. And then we're going to put our gift tag on that says thinking of you. So let's just, make sure I'm in frame here. I'll thread that on. I'm not doing this the most efficient way, I'm sure. So we're going to pop this through here like this. And make sure this is snugged down. Okay, and I'm just going to tie a knot in this so that it doesn't wiggle. Then I'll tie the bow for it, because otherwise I will be fighting this the whole way. So there we go. Okay, so now I'm going to tie the bow on this one, which, as you all know, bows are my nemesis. I don't usually get the bow on the first go. So let's just give it a whirl here. See if we can't get a bow going on. Okay, and then there we go. Ha 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 ha. Look how good we are. All right, so let's just make those the same loop size and give it a snug up. And there we go. Perfect. All right, so we have got the tie on it. And it looks like I need to put a dimensional on the back of the Thinking of You tag and stick it down to the vellum. Then I'm going to turn the vellum over, and I'm going to use my adhesive dots, and I'm going to put an adhesive dot right there, and I'm going to put another one here and another one here. Okay, so I'm going to peel those off, and I need to layer this onto the front of the card. So we're going to layer this onto the front of the card like this. I'm actually going to move it up like that. Okay. So that's on like that. Sorry, I think I've got my hair in the frame and that whole thing. Now I need to take the chunk of cheese, and I'm going to put 2 adhesive dots like this on the back of the cheese and peel them off. And we're just going to slide this up under here like this, just like that. And there we go. There is the second card made from the Pick of the Crop Paper Pumpkin Kit for June 2022. So stay tuned for the third project.